The food you are eating is influencing you, not letting the energy of anger, frustration, sadness influence the food that I'm making. I just came for a walk and I wanted to share this with you. 5 things that I would like to share with my younger self as well as all of my siblings. Number 1. Whenever eating food, I stopped watching anything. No news, no source of entertainment, no reels. Not always, but as much as possible, I try not to watch anything while I eat. Always center yourself before eating so that your emotions are neutral. The reason for that, I will let you know in a bit. The second thing, whenever cooking, I will center myself again. What do we mean by centering ourselves? In our everyday life, we are dealing with so much. That energy stays with us. We might be angry at some colleague or our family members, anyone. The emotions we have are being shared with the food. So, when a chef is cooking in a restaurant or your mother is cooking for you, whatever energy that chef has will influence the energy of the food. That means if the chef is angry, the energy of anger will be shared. If the chef is frustrated, that energy will be shared. So that is why it is very important whenever you are cooking, bring all of those emotions back to the normal, happy ones, back from any negative emotion and transform them into love. That is why we always prefer eating at home because mothers cook with so much love, our family members cook with so much love. So, share it with everyone, share it with your family members. So, whenever you are cooking or whenever you are eating, before that, center yourself. That means not letting the energy of anger, frustration, sadness influence the food that I'm making. Number 3, the food is becoming a part of you. That is why we say you are what you eat. So be mindful of what you are eating. It is okay to eat outside occasionally, but not every day, not every meal. Whatever you are eating is becoming you. So you choose. Number 4, after you have finished your meal, go for a walk. Even if it is just a few steps, go for a walk. It is not necessary to go right away, but you can take your time 10-15 minutes and then take a few steps. So, what you are doing, you are letting the energy flow. Number 5, the more I did yoga, meditation, the lighter I felt. There is more clarity in your thoughts. You are able to connect with your intuition, with your soul more. Just breathing exercise, deep inhale and exhale, would center you back to your original self that is more connected to your higher self, to your intuition. Your energy is influenced by so many things. You meet different people, you feel different at different times of the day. When stressed or angry or upset, the clarity goes away. So all those emotions get trapped. So to avoid that, center yourself throughout the day. Whenever you feel that your emotions are coming in the way, before eating or before cooking, bring that balance through breathing techniques. These are the things that I would really want my relatives to know. Do like, share, and subscribe, and share it with your family members. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. बाय। अगर आपको लैंग्वेज के कोई भी दिक्कत आ रही है कि मैं हिंदी में बनाऊँ या इंग्लिश में बनाऊँ तो मुझे कमेंट्स में बताना और मैं उस तरीके से ही आपके लिए कंटेंट शूट करूँगी।